Season 3, 5 small books you can read in less than a day to transform your practice and life. What about this? The Thermodynamic Subluxation. Peter Fox, I did an interview with this chiropractic, legendary thinker, deep thinker, starting to see subluxation in a different lens, in a different way. And you read this book, The Intersection of Chiropractic and Ecology, you start to see things differently. You start to go more deeply. You know, learning chiropractic, deep chiropractic science, deep understanding of chiropractic principles. In half a day, going to change your world, going to change your life, going to change your practice, impact your patients in a profound and different level. Small books are the way to go, which is why at the end of this series, I'm going to share with you something I know is going to be so profound about small book phenomena. I want you to join me there. Until then, grab this book, read.